So we are at the assembly part of our operation. We have what we call them cells. So each cell has their own function of how they help put the cover together. Cell is to ensure that each part of the cover is completed correctly. So when our end user gets their product, it's a completely put together, thoroughly inspected, good product that they're receiving with no defects to it. I would say this part of the process is most people don't realize probably how broken up it is, and they don't realize actually how many people it actually takes to complete one cover for them, right? As you can see, we have an entire crew of 16 people it takes to get down the line. And I would say a big part of it actually is how long it takes either. It only takes us 16 minutes from start to finish to get one cover completely down the line and completed for them. We buy very limited parts that are already pre-made. We try to do as much as we can for cost-saving effects, obviously. And then after they complete it and brought down the line, it goes to our packaging center where it gets packaged into our boxes and palletized. After it's palletized, our shipping crew comes and picks it up. They take it to our ASRs, which is our storage facility. That's actually all run by a computer and it's completely put away by a computer. What makes our assemblies process consistent and repeatable is that they're all set up in cells, so they're doing the same thing every time. They have one specific step in the process that they do. And what keeps it consistent is that we have checks and balances. We have leads that come down their line all the time, checking their work. And then at the very end of it, which is this last table here, is our QC table. They're the ones who check the consistency of the cover. There's a certain amount of checks it has to pass before it's let out the door. If it fails any of those steps, then we actually have an area we call in the back called our RMA. They take it, they look at whatever was wrong with it, they fix it, then they bring it back to our QC table. It has to get re-inspected, and as long as it passes, then it gets sent out. We have people here every day that are being trained on new things all the time, that we're always checking our quality standards, that we have quality checks. And we even have a quality person that comes down the line to check every step of the way before it even hits the quality station, that we're ensuring that every step of the way that we're delivering a quality product to our customers.